Hello everyone, myself Mrs. Rama Ranjankar, lecturer in Electronics and Telecommunication Department from Praveen Patil College of Diploma Engineering and Technology, Bhayandar. Today I am going to explain Chapter 4, Part 2. Learning outcome of this topic are interfacing of ADC, DAC, stepper motor and DC motor. Let's see the interfacing diagram of DAC with 89C51 microcontroller. Now in this diagram, DAC IC0808 is interfaced to port 1 of 8051 and DAC means digital to analog conversion. So it takes the data in digital form and converted into analog form with the help of op-amp. So to DAC IC0808 op-amp IC is connected as shown in diagram. Now using digital to analog conversion, we can generate waveforms like square wave, triangular wave, ramp wave, sawtooth wave. Number of waveforms are generated using this IC. So now this program is a square wave generation program. Now in this program I initialize the delay routine first, then in main program I write uh, I initialize the port 1 because we are connecting the DAC IC to port 1 as shown in diagram. So I assign the port 1 as output port. Then we are going to display the square wave. So in square wave all the bits are high and after some time it gets 0 and this process continues, and in this way square wave is generated, so that we write the instructions as P1 is equal to 0xFF. After delay this P1 gets to 0 0. Again after delay it goes to FF. So this process continued and the square wave is generated. After the main program we write a delay program using simple delay routine. Let's see the another RAM generation. In RAM generation ramp generate करना है. So initialize port P1 is 0x0F. Okay. Now slowly ramp is generated, so that we write the command for D is equal to 0, D is less than 255, D plus plus. So slowly it increases, it reaches to peak point, and as it reaches to highest point suddenly it decreases to 0, so that finally we write the P1x to 0. So in this way positive ramp is generated. If suppose you want to generate the negative ramp, then you reverse the instruction. Similarly another program is there, that is a triangular wave program. In triangular wave program you have to increase the ramp slowly, again decrease the ramp slowly. So for increasing the ramp slowly in upward direction we write the instruction D is equal to 0, D is less than 255, D plus plus, and that value is going to display to the port P1. Now the once it displayed you move towards negative ramp, and for negative ramp we write the instruction for D is equals to 255, D is greater than 255, D minus minus, and this value is displayed. So in this way triangular waveform is displayed to your CRO. Let's see the another interfacing that is a ADC. ADC means analog to digital conversion. So here this IC is connected to 89C51, and to show the conversion we also have to interface the LCD. So at left hand side LCD is interfaced to 89C51 microcontroller, at right hand side ADC IC is interfaced. Now in ADC IC interfacing 4 pins are important. First is address pins. So जो डेटा जो पिन से डेटा हमें कन्वर्ट करना है, सो उनके एड्रेस आर असाइन टू द एड्रेस पिन. Address latch enable to show the address address latch enable is used. Then start of conversion, end of conversion is very important. When the conversion start of conversion gets activated, and when it overs, the signal is displayed over the end of conversion. Output enable is there, so as soon as the conversion completed, output enable pin is activated so that it shows the output. Okay, and finally the converted output shows on LCD display. Now this is a program for LED. So in this part the pins of ADC are assigned or initialized. So here ALE, start of conversion, end of conversion, so all these pins are assigned here. Now यहाँ पे address pins are assigned and shows the status S bit ALE is equal to P3.3. So जो pins हमने use किए हैं 89C51K for ADC, so we have to initialize that pins here. In this part we are assigning the or we are initialize LCD pins, register, select, read, write and enable. So this is a program. LCD को initialize करना है. LCD commands are initialized in this part. LCD commands are initialized, and this is a main program. Start of conversion start करो. So जब तक ये conversion होता नहीं है तब तक आपको check करना है. Check the address lines, check the LCD command ports, and finally after conversion this is displayed. Okay, this is IC LCD pins है. So ये सब pins assign किए हैं. LCD pins are there. Okay. Now let's see stepper motor interfacing. Now in stepper motor interfacing, stepper motor is interfaced to 8051 microcontroller. So again stepper motor is interfaced to port 0 here. Okay, so this is a driver IC है. So driver IC through stepper motor connect करते हैं. You can also refer this type of this diagram. Here the port 1 is used. Now the drivers are there and stepper motor is interfaced with 89C51 microcontroller. Okay. Now this stepper motor has 2 windings as shown in figure. Now we have to rotate the stepper motor either in clockwise direction or in anti-clockwise direction. So here I am going to display the program to interface the stepper motor in clockwise direction. So यहाँ पे port 1 यूज किया है, आपको चाहिए तो port 2 यूज किया है. If you want to use the port 1, then you can change in program. So port 2 is equal to 0x3, 6, C and 9. So if in this way you can rotate the motor in clockwise direction. Suppose आपको anti clockwise rotate करना है, so you can change the sequence so that the motor is rotating anti clockwise. Let's see the interfacing diagram of DC motor. So port 2 को एक DC मोटर इंटरफेस किया है using driver IC. Thank you.